Take a close look at this dash cam footage. You can see a truck driver nodding off. Then this. You can see two cars on the side of the road and a person standing outside them. The News for Jack's I team is now learning the driver said his tire blew out and that's what caused the crash on I-4 in the Tampa area.
Yeah, that's what he told troopers. But today I spoke with an attorney who says that this dash camera footage proves otherwise. Just a few seconds of sleep and then this. Truck driver Cecil Brown appears to doze off at the wheel of his 18-wheeler along Interstate I-4 in Hillsborough County. His semi-trailer first colliding with a car that was parked on the side of the highway, where two people were changing a flat tire. One of the victims was pinned against a concrete wall along I-4. According to this police report, Brown told Florida troopers his front tire blew out, and then the front right portion of his truck dipped and caused the crash. Testimony which troopers later determined wasn't what really happened.
The video speaks for itself. You know, you have a driver that's fallen asleep in the middle of the day.
Trial lawyer Stefano Portigliati with Coker Law tells the News for Jack's I team that distracted driving is the #1 factor involving accidents with semi-vehicles. He says the trucking industry has made great advancements over the years in installing dash cam videos, but he says much more can be done to protect people on the road.
And one of the things that we try to push a lot in our cases is, look, you had the camera already in the cab of the truck looking at the driver, but you didn't purchase the extra service of warning, of detecting fatigue.
Portigliati is talking about advanced driver monitoring software, which uses technology to track a driver's face and can identify distracted driving behaviors. The software can also alert the driver in real time to correct the behavior and even notify the driver's managers of the danger.
That now is as advanced as knowing whether you are blinking too often, if your eyes are closed for too long, if you're not checking your mirrors often enough.
Portigliati says safety will cost trucking companies a little more money up front, but in the end, he says it can save trucking companies money and, more importantly, save lives.
Because when you don't properly supervise the drivers, you don't pick up on conduct that's bound to create problems, it's going to cost a lot of money.
Now, we reached out to that truck driver, Cecil Brown, for his side of the story, but we have not heard back. The lawyer, Mr. Portigliati, is preparing to take this case to trial on behalf of the victim who was pinned against that concrete wall during the accident. The lawyer also says his legal team at Coker Law is sponsoring a virtual vehicle program at Paxton High School, which teaches student drivers how to become smarter drivers and avoid incidents like this one.